In need of realistic fur ears for cosplay, maybe even for a teenage hellhound? I'll show you quickly how to make some for yourself in this video. Here's the things you need to build them. Fake fur in the colors of your character choice, a permanent marker, a box cutter, 2mm EVA foam, some aluminum wire, pliers for the wire, a hot glue gun, contact cement, a pair of scissors, a hair or beard trimmer, a powder makeup palette, some makeup brushes, a hairband to put the ears on, some leftover black cable or anything similar, a precision knife, and super glue. Let's get ready to craft. I'm making LOONA's ears from Helluva Boss. I also have the pattern for these on my Etsy if you want to make the exact same shape. Copy the fur pattern onto the fake fur with your marker. Make sure the first stroke direction points outwards to the outside of the ears. Now carefully cut on the backside of the fabric using a box cutter to not harm the fur. After cutting, you can slowly pull the fabric pieces from the rest of the fur. Repeat the same with the black fur. If your pattern is as symmetrical as mine, don't forget to mirror for the back of the ears. When done cutting, cut out the foam patterns from 2mm EVA foam. Take your wire and start bending to roughly form the ear shape, leaving some extra at the beginning and end on the downward side of the ears. After that, you can hot glue the aluminum wire to the foam. Using contact cement, you can now glue the foam ears to the inner and then to the outer fake fur, leaving the wire ends sticking out. Then cut away any excess fabric. Now take your hair trimmer and start shaving. I shaved around the outside of the backside, leaving only the fur on the downward facing sides long, especially the one on the outward facing side of the ear. Keep your vacuum cleaner close to clean up the mess in between. On the inside of the ear, I shaved the side short and left fur in the middle, as well as all the way down to the outward facing side again. Then you can bend and shape the ears using the built-in wire before cutting away some of the excess fur on the insides. Now it's time to add some shadows. I used powder black eyeshadow and gradually built up shadows on both sides of the inner ear. When I was happy with the result, I moved on to fixing the ears to the headband. This is super easy as the wires are still sticking out of the ears and just need to be wrapped tightly around it. In the end, I decided to use some black acrylic paint to better disguise the glued edges of the fake fur. For LOONA's piercing details, I used an old black cable I had lying around. I cut it into pieces, used a precision knife to poke some holes and glued it down on both sides. Wiggy's Fashion kindly sent me a wig for LOONA, so I quickly styled it for her look. Its product number is LF624N if you're looking to get the same one. And with my discount code EleniaFrost10, you can save 10% on your purchase on any wig. And that's it. This is how you can make realistic animal ears without any sewing at all. You can find the pattern for LOONA's ears in my Etsy shop. Link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!